So, you're thinking about ditching your traditional bank for something a little greener? Maybe you've heard whispers about Acorns and their checking account. But the big question is, how much does it actually cost? That's what we're diving into today. Let's be real. Traditional banking fees can feel like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. Overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, ATM charges, it's enough to make your head spin. So, is Acorns the financial oasis you've been searching for? First off, let's talk about what Acorns checking actually is. It's more than just a place to park your cash. It's a digital bank account that comes with some pretty neat perks. You can earn cash back on purchases, invest spare change automatically, and even build an emergency fund. But, of course, all this goodness comes at a price. Or does it? The short answer is, it depends. Acorns checking is free to open and there's no minimum balance requirement. That's right, you can start saving and investing with as little as $5. But, like any good financial product, there are some fine print details we need to uncover. For starters, there's no monthly fee. That's a huge win compared to many traditional banks. But, what about ATM fees? Well, Acorns reimburses you for up to $3 in ATM fees per month. Not bad, but it's not unlimited free withdrawals. Now, let's talk about overdraft fees. This is where things can get tricky. Acorns offers a feature called Found Money which allows you to overdraw your account by up to $100. But, here's the catch, you'll be charged a $3 fee for each overdraft. So, while it's a safety net, it's not entirely fee-free. But wait, there's more. Acorns also has a fee-based tier called Acorns Personal. For a monthly fee, you get access to higher ATM reimbursement, identity theft protection, and other perks. So, if you're a heavy ATM user or want extra financial protection, this might be worth considering. So, to recap, Acorns checking is generally fee-free, but there are some exceptions. There's no monthly fee, but you'll pay a small fee for out-of-network ATM withdrawals and overdrafts. If you want to maximize your benefits, you can upgrade to Acorns Personal for a monthly fee. But is Acorns checking right for you? That's a question only you can answer. Consider your spending habits, your need for ATM access, and your tolerance for fees. Do the math, weigh your options, and decide if the potential benefits outweigh the costs. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to personal finance. What works for one person might not work for another. So, do your research, compare Acorns to other options, and choose the bank account that best suits your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.